Hello, Namaskar, most welcome. My dear, let your mother tongue remain your first love and then improve your English. Between, among or amongst and in between is the topic. Let's start with between. My dear, between is a group of letters or a combination of letters, so it is a word. And you know, every word is a part of a speech or language. And parts of a speech are of 8 kinds, from noun to interjection. And you know, preposition is one of them. So, between is a preposition. It means in the middle of or in the middle of 2 points or 2 objects or 2 things. In Hindi के मध्य और के मध्य में, के बीच और के बीच में. Let's have some examples. B comes between A and C in the English alphabet. Second, divide the mango between the 2 boys. Third, the meeting is between 10 and 11 a.m. Fourth, what is the relationship between you and her? And the last example, today's match will be played between LSG and KKR. Mind that between can be used for distinct or named or separated items, even if they are more than 2. For example, the treaty between the 3 countries broke down, and the relationship between the 3 countries is improving. Now let's understand among or amongst. My dear, among and amongst both have the same meaning, but amongst is old-fashioned or formal, not so common in use. Among is commonly used word. It also means in the middle of or ke madhya or ke beech, but mind that among is used to show in the middle of more than 2, not 2, mind it. For example, divide the apple among the 3 boys or 4 boys. The temple is among the trees, or Baba Baidyanath temple is among several other temples. And one more example, I was sitting among the audience or among my friends. Well, now let's understand in between. My dear, in between is used as an adverb, a preposition and an adjective. It also means in the middle of, but it is used to emphasize the space in the middle. Let's have some examples. First, as an adverb. I have my breakfast at 8 a.m., my lunch at 2 p.m. and a snack in between. The color of her sari is not quite yellow and not quite orange, but somewhere in between. Now, as a preposition, there is a narrow street in between the houses. And as an adjective, do you have any in between sizes? Hope you've got it. Have a nice time. Ciao.